Hey, it's the night before Thanksgiving and I'm making a last minute dish to bring to dinner. If you guys remember last Friday, we made a pumpkin pie, but I was left with some pumpkin puree that I still needed to use. So today we're gonna be making some pumpkin muffins and I am pretty excited about it. So we're gonna start first by mixing up our dry ingredients. So we're gonna start first with flour and we need 1.5 cups. There's 1 cup, 1/4, and 1/2. Next, we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. And now I'm gonna whisk all that together until it's well combined. Now I'm gonna set this aside and we're gonna work on mixing together our wet ingredients. So I'm gonna start by mixing 2 eggs. There's 1 and 2. And into the eggs, we're gonna mix in 1 1/4 cup of sugar. To that, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of oil, and I'm using canola oil. Wasn't a lot left in that one. So there's 1/4 cup and 1/2. Next, we're gonna add in our pumpkin. So we're gonna add about 1 cup of pumpkin puree. And then just to add a little extra punch to these muffins, we're gonna be adding 1/4 cup of orange juice. Okay, I'm gonna clean up and I'll be right back. I'm back with the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients, and now at this point we're going to fold it all together. Our muffin batter is now done. I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I have a lined muffin pan here in front of me, and I'm just gonna divide this up between the 12 cups. And these are now ready to bake for 20 to 25 minutes, so I'll see you then. The muffins are ready. I've had them sitting for about an hour so they can cool down. And originally I was gonna have Jordan taste them with me because I don't normally film in the evenings and you know he's home, but unfortunately he's asleep in the bedroom, so I'm just gonna taste these by myself. I have to say they smell real good. They're so soft and moist. That is really good. You're missing out, Jordan. All right, guys, but that was all I had to share with you today. I really hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Of course, if you did, you know what to do. Leave me a thumbs up. I love seeing those. They make me so happy. And if you want to make me even happier, please subscribe to my channel. I would really love to see it grow. It would just make me so happy. And that said, I will see you in the next video. Bye.